welcome back to my channel. So with Valentine's Day being right around the corner, yes, ladies and gentlemen, well, so I just wanted to do a really simple makeup routine for your Valentine's Day night out. You know, this Valentine's Day is basically when everybody wants to spruce it up. They want to kind of go all out for their mate or whatever. So that's why I'm here today. And we are going to just do a really cute, like I said, really cute, simple makeup routine for Valentine's Day. Specifically, well, for any time, but this video is directed towards Valentine's Day since it's like 3 days away or something like that. So first things first, I already put on my foundation. So yeah, I did that off camera. I put on my foundation and I did my eyebrows and my lashes are on. Yeah. So first, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to contour. I already put a little concealer on under my eyes. So I'm going to do a little contour. Now, I don't contour my face all the time. I gotta be in the mood. It gotta be, like I said, it gotta be like something, just a special occasion or something. I don't know, but I don't do it all the time. So, but for this video, I'm going to contour for you guys. What I'm going to be using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color, what color is this? Dark Cocoa. Guys, looks like that. And I'm just going to put a little right here, right under my cheekbone, right here. And I'm going to contour my nose. I'm not going to do my forehead. I see a lot of people doing their foreheads. My forehead is not really big, so I just feel like that's too extra. So I'm gonna do my nose, and then I'm gonna do my cheekbones. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little of this, and I'm gonna start from the inner corner of my eyebrow right here down to the tip of my nose. So there we have it. Cheekbones and the nose. Now you have to be like really careful when you contouring, because if you don't blend good enough, yeah, you won't look put together. It'll just look like you was just playing the makeup. And you don't want that, girl. So, what brush am I gonna use? I normally like to use my hand for my nose, but for my cheeks, I'm just gonna use a powder brush. Going in with my powder brush. The smell, girl. I like the smile just to hit that cheekbone area. You might look a little crazy smiling, but it don't hurt to smile. I just like to get that cheekbone area. Ooh, girl, you see? Ooh. Ooh, honey. I know y'all, I play too much. So that is that. And like I said, I'm just gonna put just a little, just a dab. Not too much. You don't want to be looking crazy. So I did my highlighting. Highlighting is done. Highlighting is done. I am going to use some blush. This is by my blush by MAC, and the color is Stubborn. See, it kind of looks purple, but no, it's not. It looks good on my skin tone. So just take a little goes a long way. You see, that's too much. I'm gonna dust that off. And just a little, look at that. Like literally a little. A little goes a long way. I don't wear blush a lot either, but like I said, we are getting ready for Valentine's Day, so we have to be a little extra today. So we're being a little extra. So we got our blush, we got that highlight popping. Look at that, hey girl, highlight popping. So we are going to do our eyes. I have on my lashes already. They're really thin, so I couldn't find my really dramatic ones, but these will do. I just want to do just a little dramatic highlight. So I'm going to take the end of this brush, and I'm going to take my highlight, and take the end of my my angle brush. Oh, I cannot talk today. And I keep trying to use the camera, but mirror. Okay, so like I said, take this, and then we just gonna dab right. So like I said, we are being dramatic, but yet simple at the same time, because we don't want to be looking like a drag queen, right? So I'm just gonna take a little of my finishing powder. This is by MAC as well, in the color Bronze. You can see that. And powder brush. We got some eyeliner. Why am I dancing? I don't know. I just get excited. Let's see. What we missing, girls? Of course. Lippy. So, okay, for Valentine's Day, everybody and their mama wears what? Where's what, y'all? A red lip. And I have a million literally to choose from, but today I'm thinking, okay, so you're gonna be out, right? So you need something that's gonna last, right? So I'm going to use this Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color by Rimmel London. Bought it from Walgreens, and this is in the color, shoot, what color is this? Oh, it's called Plum This Show. And like I said, I got it from Walgreens. I think it was like $8.99. You can't really see the full color on here, but yeah. And then I got me some lip liner that I bought from Walmart. And the NK is the line. I don't know. And the color is Plum. Let's see, AA11 Plum. Okay. So you start off with a clean, dry lip, like so. You take your lip liner and you just outline your lips. And then I'm gonna take my Stay Matte, because I always choose matte, because when you're out, what are you doing? You're drinking, you're talking, and if you're with your boo, you're kissing and hugging and all that good stuff. So you need something that's gonna last. And my husband hate for me to kiss him and he have red lips, okay? So I have to make sure that I'm thinking about him as well when I'm getting ready for a date night or Valentine's Day or whatever. All right, so here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take my lip brush and some of my foundation, and I'm gonna line the edges of my lips just to make it look, oh sorry, sneezing, to make it look, you know, more intact, more neat. So just set your makeup. Makeup ain't going nowhere, honey. Okay. See, yeah, sexy, simple, not too much, you know. I mean, it may be too much for some people, but this is really simple. Seriously. And you guys let me know what you think of this look. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think. If it's too much, or you know, if you do something different, just let me know, y'all.